Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can access DraftKings no matter your location. So the way this is going to work is by using a VPN. But before we get into that, you want to make sure that you know where DraftKings is available. So here is the list of states. As of February 2024, DraftKings is officially permitted in Arizona, Colorado, and so on and so forth. Feel free to pause the video and check this out. Now, besides that, the way you can access DraftKings from any location is by using a VPN. And a VPN will route your connection through a server that makes it look like you're from there once you're connected to it. So if I go to my IP finder while connected to the New York server, it'll look like I'm in New York. But if I switch from, let's say, New York to Miami, you'll notice that my location will change on my IP finder when I refresh it. And that's essentially how it works. Now, all you need to do is download and install one of these VPNs. They all work remarkably well with regards to accessing streaming services, online casinos, and all kinds of services and websites that are not available to you. I like to use ExpressVPN, but I'll talk about these in just a second to help you figure out which one is best for you and your situation. Essentially, once you've installed and downloaded one of these VPNs, you can use the links below if you want to save some more money on your subscription. You can use your credentials, log into the application, and you'll have a list of servers. Connect to the correct server and then go back to the website itself. Give it a refresh if it wasn't available, and if it wasn't, it will become available if you've connected to the correct server, which is the location where the service is originally available. And that's basically it. So which one of these VPNs could be the best choice for you? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. I like the snappiness of ExpressVPN. Let's say I want to connect to any other server. So I want to show you how quickly it connects. In this case, I want to go with a Japanese server, just something so far away. So we'll just go ahead and connect, and you'll notice that it roughly takes a couple of seconds or just a little less to connect to the server. But let's go ahead and just compare this to NordVPN. If I connect to the Tokyo server here, it just takes a few more seconds than 2 seconds. So yeah, this is one of the main reasons why I like to use ExpressVPN, because when trading online or we're engaging with online bets or any kind of online casinos and websites that require transactions, I prefer speed. Now, NordVPN is in fact the fastest VPN in the industry today, but the time to connect, as you can tell, is just a little slower than what I prefer. So that's why I go with ExpressVPN. I also have 105 countries at my disposal. I can secure up to 8 devices per subscription, and I'm a very privacy conscious person, so it really just gives me that peace of mind whenever I'm using ExpressVPN, because they have the strictest no locks policy in the business, and it's been proven over and over and over again. So yeah, I personally like Express. But if you're looking for more features to dabble with, and again, you're looking for the fastest connection possible, and you don't mind waiting, let's say 5 to 10 seconds connecting to a server, then NordVPN is one of the best, arguably the fastest VPN in the industry. Sure, you've got 61 countries, but you have the countries that matter, most of them being in East Asia, Europe, and North America. So if that's what you're looking for, then NordVPN is honestly a great choice, especially they have a bunch of bonus features like threat protection, which is kind of like a mini antivirus, meshnet for remote access, and dark web monitor, which will keep an eye out for leaked data that's linked to your personal information, and specialty servers and other features that'll come in handy in a variety of situations. NordVPN is really just one of the best well-rounded VPNs that you can get, and it maintains that high level of security and performance. Now, if 6 or 8 devices are still not enough for you, then you want to go with Surfshark. This will allow you to secure virtually an unlimited number of devices with a single subscription, so you can share it around with as many friends and family members as you'd like. You have 100 countries at your disposal, and you still have a bunch of very useful features. Not just that, if you upgrade to the one plan with Surfshark, which is still cheaper than the cheapest plan with NordVPN, you're going to be getting a fully fledged antivirus, a safe search feature, and identity protection features like the alert and alternative ID. So you're getting a whole lot of value. Not only is it the best budget VPN, but it's also the best value for the money. So yeah, Surfshark is definitely worth your investment if this is something that you're looking for. So that's it for today's video. If you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing, discounts, and full reviews in the description down below. And just a heads up before you guys move on and and pay for this. If you know you're gonna need the VPN for a single month, definitely get the monthly plan. But most people, thinking they're not gonna need the VPN for more than a month, do get that monthly plan and keep resubscribing at this very expensive rate. So just want to make sure that you guys are careful and you don't spend much more money than you have to, because if you go for the yearly plan, especially with the discount down below, you'll be saving a whole lot more. So either way, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. Make your choices wisely. And that's it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.